For today's project, I'm going to be turning this piece of black locust. Somewhere along the line, I'm going to incorporate some epoxy. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoyed this video. Before starting, I should have trimmed the edges. It would have made it a lot easier on the tools, because this is going to be a rough turn. So I got the piece where I wanted it. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some epoxy. I'll be pouring approximately 57 ounces of epoxy. The temperatures here are currently in the 30s. I'm worried that the epoxy is not going to set properly, and I will be using a bronze mica color in the epoxy. We'll see how it works out. I really need to invest in some different size containers, because I'm going to waste a lot of epoxy in this particular pour. I've already done most of the sanding. I started off with 150 grit and worked my way up to this point, which is 2000 grit. And now to add the pure walnut oil. Once it dries, I will finish the piece off with Yorkshire polishing compound. A couple of things I take into consideration when cutting a mortise into the bottom of a piece. Ensure that the bottom is flat and that the mortise isn't too deep. It's unfortunate, but I forgot to charge the camera, and I guess it's pretty obvious that there's a good chunk of video missing. Turning the inside of this particular vase was very time consuming. The wood is very fibrous and made things really difficult, but it is what it is. Well, the vase came out really nice. I'm really happy with the outcome. The epoxy that I incorporated into the piece came out really well. If you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate the support, and thanks for watching.